sounding like you just left happy hour because I'm lit. I am so lit. I am so lit. Like when she was walking that morning and she called up Joe Biden.
Yeah.
Hi Joe, you won. We did it.
What does that mean?
She's like, they're so hot.
I don't know what it is, but it sounds good.
Yeah.
Hi.
And why do you look? Why do you look half your age on Instagram but twice your age on TV?
Oh, sweetie. Oh my God, thank you.
Do you want to go to prom with me?
Oh my God. I've always wanted to go to prom.
Really? I didn't go to prom either.
Okay,
That's why I was like,
give me your number. We can.
oh my God.
What's your favorite thing about black women?
Woo!
Some things, but I wanna grab it.